Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UI design systems with Figma for web projects step by step clearly. Begin by opening Figma and creating a new file. Familiarize yourself with the Figma interface. Start by defining your design system's purpose and goals. Identify the key components you'll need, such as buttons, forms, and typography. Create a dedicated page in your Figma file called Design System. For each component, set up a frame that will serve as its container. Use consistent naming conventions for each frame and layer. Add your color palette to the Design System page. Create a rectangle for each color and label them accordingly. Establish typography styles by defining font families, sizes, and weights. Use the text tool to create sample text for each style. Next, design the primary components like buttons. Create a button rectangle and add text for the label. Use constraints to make your button responsive. Create different states for the button, such as hover and disabled. Copy and modify your button design to create variations like primary and secondary styles. Now, move on to form elements such as input fields and checkboxes. Ensure all components maintain a consistent margin and padding. Group related components together for easy access later. Create a grid layout to help align your components neatly. Establish guidelines for spacing, ensuring uniformity across the design system. Once the basic components are complete, start building templates for common layouts. Use components to design headers, footers, and card layouts. Link your components to the main design system page for easy updates. Utilize Figma's Styles feature for colors and typography to ensure consistency. Create a documentation page within your file explaining usage guidelines. Define rules for when and how to use each component. Include examples of do's and don'ts for clarity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.